Just your little Buddha belly.
Juliana is 6 months old now. She's got a little Buddha belly. She's getting better at standing up with help. What's that? She also likes to reach out and touch things. That's her hand reaching out. Oh. Oh. She put things in her mouth too. Whoa.
Eat it.
No eating the camera. No eating the camera. Silly baby. Oh. Yeah. This game never gets old, does it? Just want to reach out and touch it. You're getting so big. You want to smile for the camera? Nope, I want to eat the camera. Oh. All right, I think it's about bedtime.